The National Weather Service has been issued for Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. There will be severe thunderstorms with heavy rain and strong winds. Tornado warning will be likely for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Lawrence, Beaver, Butler, Armstrong, Westmoreland, Washington, Greene, and Fayette. Power outages and damaged winds can occur, and all residents in the affected counties are strongly to stay indoors.
This message was being transmitted at the request of the Allegheny Emergency Management Agency and the United States government at around 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A missile was struck in downtown Pittsburgh. This missile strike landed on Liberty Avenue, causing extensive damage to life and property. The United States government has speculated that the missile was launched from Russia, but that cannot be confirmed at this time. But all residents in the city of Pittsburgh are still allowed to continue their daily lives. This message will repeat in an hour.